Hello, Anthony. This will be some video feedback for week 7 or milestone 2. Anthony, I went to your web server. I noticed that you have a directory for GRA 310, and then you've uploaded a file there, a folder rather there. And I see, there's some good things about this. You do have an unordered list, which is linked to child pages. So, that in itself is an accomplishment. Well, actually linked to some child pages. That one's missing. I'm a little concerned that you are at this point not able to import images. But I'm glad you got this in. Let's see what we can do in the next couple days to improve it. Anthony, you gave us, I think this was in week 3, a sitemap. And I can understand it pretty well. It's based on that, I think, that image that I had included in an announcement. What I'm missing, of course, is a coded sitemap. And you've got the beginnings of one here in your home page. If I view the code of this, I would expect to see an unordered list. And yes, here it is. So that is exemplary. You're well on your way. Next thing you need to do is to find out ways to format it. Now, these missing images suggest to me bad file paths. You probably don't have them on your web server, or if you do, they're not in the proper directory or folder. Anthony, you do have an external style sheet. There's not much to it, which may be part of the problem, but I see that you've tried to do that. Now know that any styling in your HTML is going to override an external style sheet. I don't see any styling, though, in your HTML. Also, I see ample coding, meta tags. Good job on that. Okay, so I see ample meta tags too. That's good going on that. And what is this grid CSS? I'm wondering if that's causing problems to have two competing CSS. See, that to me looks much more comprehensive. I'm wondering, it's okay to have a CSS that refers to type, but I'm wondering if you have two style CSSs, whether that will cause problems. I do see that you have a head, a body. Where's your title? You need to have a page title, otherwise it will not show up in the browser window. Anthony, your wireframe, and I hope I'm looking at the correct file, is exactly what it needs to be. That is a very skeletal rationale for placing web page ingredients. Good job. Anthony, some good news is that you do have dummy child pages, I think for the most part, and that you've put them in a directory called GRA 310. So you are thinking ahead about how to archive your files. That's good. Anthony, I'm not sure there's anything more that I can say at this point, except don't hesitate to reach out in the next 7 days, and I am here to help you.